me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Subella hair. This is the packaging. I just got a drawstring bag with everything inside. So firstly, I see the wig, and I also got a little bag with goodies. I got a pair of HD wig caps, I got some brushes, I got a set of press-ons, a Subella printed elastic headband, some lashes, and then let's get into the wig of the day. What we have here is a 13x4 blonde highlights black with 613 blonde straight hair, and it's 26 inches long. Okay, this is the construction of the wig. It has a comb in the back, adjustable straps, added adjustable elastic band, and it is pre-customized, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The hair is very silky and smooth. Okay, I love the hairline. It is immaculate, looks very much realistic, and they say this is a invisible lace. It's, you know, that's the type of vibe that it's giving. So I'm very excited to get into this. It has a really nice flow. The body is there, the luster is there, nice and shiny, as I said, you know. So I absolutely love that. I went ahead and just jumped into getting the installation going. So for today's install, I'm actually going to use a little bit of glue. All right, so now I'm just adjusting the wig on my head. You guys know the drill. All right, so I'm just making sure that it fits my hairline properly, and pretty much I'm just gonna get into applying the glue to the hairline. This isn't something that you haven't seen before, so I'm just kind of you know, play music through this portion, and you guys can kind of follow as I go along. Of course, the glue, the melting spray, all that, it's from PS Luxe lace line. Okay, literally the best lace glue. Literally, it's waterproof, absolutely no latex is in it. Like, it is amazing. I only did one layer today, you guys will see that. So yeah,
you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On the new adventure. Adventure. Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken.
So once I get that all nice and melted, I cut away the excess lace. All right, you just take your time to do this, and today I've opted to not do any baby hairs, no sideburns, no nothing. We just going all the way pull back, because this lace was meant for that vibe. Okay, very realistic, very nice. Subella did that. So after I cut away the lace, I actually go back over it with my Subella elastic headband, and I kind of just use my hot comb to get the top really nice and flat, because you guys know we don't do bulky wigs, and no ma'am, it has to be nice and laid and realistic. So I was just taking my time to do that. Absolutely no rush. You want to make sure when you're doing an install like this, you're not rushing. You want to have the best install possible. And I really like how the lace is looking in the front.
It's my time. Watch me build another life, find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure.
I did go in on the lace, any parts that I feel like had a cast, even in the least, just to make sure that I decrease the appearance of that even more. And then afterwards I kind of went over, well, throughout the entire wig with my flat iron, because we want that nice bone straight vibe for sure. So I just took my time to do that. And this is how it looks, super nice and flowy. Absolutely love that. For today's hairstyle, I'm doing like 2 ponytails at the top, so it's like a half up, half down, but it's 2 ponytails, not just one. I think this is really cute. Okay, I think instead of, if you don't want to do a ponytail, you could do like buns, and you could probably do baby hairs if you want. It all depends on your mood. I mean, feel free to go ahead and explore. It's a whole 13x4 lace front, so you do have the space to work with.
You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
Yeah, this is how it looked. I kind of run through that with my flat iron once more, and the body is just amazing. I'm gonna be sure to link this specific wig down below in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out if you're interested. All the specifications will be listed. Any deals, any sale going on will be down below. Shout out to Subella here once more for today's gorgeous wig look, and that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.